So in MD Vinyl Widget app, there are only like 150 songs available in your trial, meaning that if you are using Vinyl Widget, which now is a premium widget, you only have 150 songs. And you need to upgrade to premium to play an unlimited number of songs in the widget. So that's what it is. And recently they added like Y widget, which you can use if you want to play like unlimited number of songs, but it doesn't have this vinyl effect. And so yeah, here you can see the differences. Here on the right you just have vibe widget where you can have unlimited number of songs, and on the left side you can have this empty vinyl where you just have kind of rotating vinyl. So I don't know, it just depends. So the whole idea is that you connect your Spotify, Apple Music, and then you see the current song which is playing, and then on the tab you can just go to that song, or you can open empty vinyl widget, or you can go to Spotify, Apple Music. So that's about it.